Today I am going to show you how to make a cheesy burger. Now this is a classic recipe and you can't go wrong. So let's grab our ingredients. You're going to need 1/4 cup of mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of porridge oats, 1/4 cup of carrot, 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of quinoa, 1/4 cup of courgette and red pepper, and 1 cup of Carolina beans. You're also going to need 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, lettuce leaves, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese, 4 slices of cheese, 1 egg, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tomato, and 2 buns. So let's grab your ingredients and let's get started. First off, let's boil the quinoa for 10 minutes on the hob. Remember to get your parents' help to do this. We're now going to brown the onion in a fry pan. Smells delicious! Now we're going to add the courgette and red pepper. And the mushroom. Use a garlic crusher to crush the garlic in as well. Now we're going to add the carrot. Mine is grated. Give it a good stir. Cook for 5 minutes on the hob. This will soften all the vegetables. We now want to add the cooked quinoa into a blender. Add the Carolina beans. Mix and blend. We're now going to put the fried ingredients from the pan into our blender as well. Blend these ingredients together. Great! Now we're going to add the 2 blended lots of ingredients together in a bowl, along with our oats and our breadcrumbs. Also add the Parmesan and the cheddar cheese. We're now going to add an egg. And next comes the best part. Use your hands to mix all of these ingredients together. Keep going. Now we're going to make the mixture into patties. We're going to make 4, 2 per burger. Put them on some greaseproof paper. Perfect! These look great. Now let's take them to the hob. We're going to heat some oil in a pan and then we're going to put our burgers in. We want to cook them for 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Look how perfectly golden brown they are. Don't they look delicious? Now we're going to cut up our tomato. Yum! 4 slices, 2 for each burger. Now cut the bun in half. It's time to assemble. So let's start off with a square of cheese. Now we're going to add 1 of our patties. Add some more cheese on top. This should start to melt because the patties are hot. Now we're going to add some lettuce and finally some tomato. And there you have it. Once you've added the top of the bun on, there are some delicious cheesy burgers waiting for you to eat. Don't they look great? What an original recipe! Cheesy burgers.